ready? Are you ready? Oh, do you want some rice cereal?
Emma's first feeding.
Oh, what's this? What's this? Oh my goodness, do you want some? What is it? What do you think? Yummy? It's still got poop juice in it, I promise. Yummy? Oh, what's that? What do you think? It's food. She doesn't really seem to know what to do with it. You want some? Oh, good girl. What do you think? Yummy. You want more? Does it taste like cardboard? It's not as exciting as the kitty. Oh, you want more? What do you think? It's a whole new world. No, Craig doesn't get any. She's opening her mouth. You're opening your mouth. You're so smart.
It's all over her face.
No more? No more? Uh-oh. No. You have rice up your nose. Yes. More fun than anything else. What do you think? Ah. 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 A little bit. Good girl. Up, 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 up. Yeah, it's like a bottle, but different. Oops. That was my bad. I think I'm just making it worse.
Maybe you should just get a paintbrush and smear it across her face. And
You're pretty. Right, a little bit more and then we'll be done. This is fun. Do you want to give her a spoonful?
no, it's alright.
Just put the rest in the fridge. We'll put the rest in the fridge. We can try it tomorrow. All done.
Good job. More food.
I love you. I love you. Yeah.